Excuse me. Excuse me. Where's those $4 chicken sandwiches at?
Oh, we have to make it.
Oh, you have.
No
Can I
problem.
get?
Did you want one?
Yeah, can I get one?
Yeah.
All right. So that Wendy's sandwich was pretty bad. Let's see if we could get worse. I went to 7-Eleven because I saw they have a $4 chicken sandwich. Here it is. $4.29. $4.61 total for this 7-Eleven chicken sandwich. The thing that's interesting about it is, you saw in the opening, you have to ask them to make this. It's not just sitting up there. So it's a whole fucking process. I will say, it is fucking scorching hot. This is a very hot sandwich. The girl literally made it right there. Takes like 4 minutes because it's a frozen patty. And then they put it in their flash oven or whatever. So here it is. See? I don't know, what is that? It looks like a little piece is already kind of off of it. There's the bread. Okay. No toppings. I guess there's a little topping where the nacho bar is. That's where like where you can put like the toppings for nachos, you can take those toppings and put it on this. I didn't do that. I kind of just wanted to get out of there, to be honest with you. But it is piping hot. Let's take a bite. Not good. This is not good at all. It tastes like freezer burn. Like if you've ever had frozen chicken tenders and you left the bag open, this is what it tastes like. I mean, I know there's a toppings bar where you can like add stuff, but this is dry as hell. Flavor is weird. It's like, it tastes like freezer burn and leather. I don't know. It's not good, dude. If there's one word to describe what this tastes like, funky. It has like a funky taste to it. Look, dry as hell. The breading is just not even attached to the meat. So here's the chicken. You see, and there's the breading just coming right off of that. Let's just try the chicken by itself. Has like a slippery texture. And it's like, it just tastes like sodium. Like there's no flavors or seasoning. It just tastes like salt. Oh God, it's actually really bad. All right, this is an easy one. $4.61 for this chicken. Here. $4.61 for this chicken sandwich. That's a no, not worth it. Not even, honestly, if I'm gonna put you on some game, if you're going to 7-Eleven for food, get the Cuban sandwich and have it pressed. That's what I would say. But do not get this chicken sandwich. If you're craving a chicken sandwich, do not go to 7-Eleven. Well, thanks for stopping in. This is Broke Appetit. Eat up, stay blessed.